Alright guys, let's start off here. Try to. It's pretty thin. Got some extra junk. They cleaned the truck out. Yeah, that might work. Alright, what do we got here? Oh, it's not bad at all. Alright, not much metal. It's got some copper on the back. I can pull that off and save it. It's pretty light, guys, so that's why we're getting dishwasher. I'll yank that copper off at least. Alright guys, see what else we can get. Alright guys. Oh, it's thin. But these might be metal. Yeah, they got metal on them. Yeah, there we go. That's something. It's pretty thin, guys. Ow, we found. Oh my gosh, that hurt. Found some place where they're doing big trash, but it's not very. Damn it. It's pretty thin. That hurt my finger. That's part of it, I guess. That was weird. A rocking swivel chair? Well, that'll make you sick, wouldn't it? Alright guys, we'll see what we can get. A few things, guys. Pretty thin. I don't know what that is. Some kind of... Oh, it's a ceiling fan. Heck yeah. Too bad that desk wasn't metal, huh? Ooh, that's a weird looking one, isn't it? Huh. Weird. Look at that. Like folds out. I've never seen nothing like that. Huh. Kinda heavy. Not real heavy. Any tools? No tools? Alright guys. That's all I see. Our little helper. She passed out if you can see her. Alright guys. I think it's steel, but metal is metal. Well, he's got a bunch of it down there. Metal is metal. Yeah, just getting it in here is going to be fine. Isn't it? It might be aluminum. They're steel to me. No, they're steel. I ain't griping. Steel gutters. I'll throw that chair over there. There we go. There we go. And the fan. Alright. We'll get there. Not too much. Couple hitters. Old school stuff. Thanks, sir. Dirt in it. Ooh, a nail. Ain't good. Oh man. These are heavy. You wouldn't think. They're like 3 times heavier than regular. Alright guys. Let's keep rolling. We got a microwave we'll go get. Alright, here. Whoops. See, the camera sits a little higher on this thing. You get in the truck and you hit the truck. Alright, we're clear. There's the microwave. About time we get some stuff. Alright. 2 microwaves. Alright guys. Alright guys, here we go. Another scrapper out. Another body chair. That's weird. Alright, we're gonna try a couple of monitors. Maybe. Let's see. There we go. Oh, that's a pretty one. That's TV. Maybe. There we go. There we go. There's TV. Well, that's been there a while, guys. It's got water in it. Huh. Water in it. Alright, that's good. Alright, there we go. Alright, guys. Old school microwave. Oh, if you can see it. Check it out. It's wood grain. Heavy. Really heavy. Alright, guys. Now, this is a neat pile, guys. Look at that. All organized and nice and neat. Coffee pot. Tile. Piece of metal. I don't know if we have room for it. We'll have to figure. Here. Let's adjust. There we go. Okay. Maybe. Yeah, I think it's heavy, guys. Oh gosh, it's a heavy microwave. Okay. Let's see here. A little room, we put it right there. I think it'll fit. Oh, that's neat. Cast iron. Only one of them. There's some rugs and all kinds of stuff. Man. Plastic guttering. Oh, that's heavy, guys. Damn. That's heavier than I thought. Alright, here we go. Oh, it's all plastic. Oh well. Dang, it's all plastic, guys. Alright. That should stay. Alright, guys. Alright, guys. It wasn't very much. Whew. Let's grab. You say hi? No hi? No? Alright. Yeah, we didn't get much. It is what it is. We'll try to cut some cords and stuff. Good try. Low grade. No. Man, I don't think it's the feet we needed. Let's see here. Kinda. Oh no. At least get this copper up here. Ouch. At least. Alright. There we go. Copper line on there. Alright, there we go. That caught. There we go. It's caught in the bumper, or the tailgate. Man, still little pile. A heavy microwave. Oh my gosh, it's stupid. You know that has copper in it. like I used to. Can't break everything down. It is what it is. Gotta clean this out, guys. Alright. We got it. That's it. Alright, guys. See you on the end. You gonna say hi? No hi? Alright, guys. Now she did it. That'll do it, guys. Only had like, not very much. It's thin. There's another scrapper out there, and he barely had anything either. So, kind of got lucky. But 400 pounds, been about our average, and it's a weird price. So it's a 135 pound or $135 a ton, which is weird. But it comes up to 0.0675 cents. So it was 27 bucks. It'd get us some lunch money. But subscribe if you're not subscribed. Comment, leave a comment. Hit that notification bell and select all, and you'll get all my videos. I'm trying to do one a week at least, but it is what it is. But we got some stuff, and we filled up the truck. But we'll see you on the next one. Alright, bye. You want to say bye? Say bye. Bye. Nothing.
I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. Anxiety, filling up every space, no privacy, and silently, it could build and build until you finally see, whoa, it's taking over, damn no closure, moving closer, no exposure, I just wanna be